Hi, my dear students. It's all my pleasure to be with you again in a new lesson. Our lesson today is included in Unit 11, Lesson 2. The subject is about past simple to be or to be verbs. Past simple is one of the important tenses that we needed so as to speak correctly with our friends or the people around us. So let us firstly know what is past simple. What is past simple? Good. Past simple is used to talk about events in the past. Events in the past, including the words like yesterday, last night, last week, 2 hours ago, and there are many other words that denoting the same for past tense or etc. The most important thing for you to know that it talks about events in the past, and whenever we see these words, yesterday, last night, last week, 2 hours ago, it means the sentence or the tense is about past, simple past. Very good. Example: my mother was in the kitchen 2 hours ago. Look, 2 hours ago. We have 2 hours ago here also. So the main thing that tells us the sentence is about past simple to be is was. Was tells us what is the tense of the sentence. Another example: Lara was sad last night. Lara was sad last night. Last night, we also have last night here. Was tells us that this sentence is in past simple. Very good. Let us then know what are the forms of was, were, or what are the forms of past simple. The first form is affirmative. Affirmative. Very good. In affirmative, we use I, he, she, it with was. We use was with I, he, she, it. So good. Then the other part of the sentence was happy yesterday. Yesterday tells us this about past. Very good. It's important to know was is used with I, he, she, it. Very good. We use we, you, they with were. We use were with we, you, they. Very good. Then we say the other part of the sentence at the beach last week. Last week tells us about past. Very good. We were at the beach yesterday or last week. You were, they were. Good. We can also say some names. Examples: he was sad last night. He was sad last night. Tom and Anne were in the beach yesterday and they were happy. Were, because we have used were here because we have two names, Anne and Tom. It becomes they. Whenever we have they, we use were. Very good. In the beach yesterday and they were. Because we have two names, it becomes they. Then we use were. Very good. So the negative form, we use I, he, she, it with was not. Here, because it's negative, we add not after was. So good. Then we say the other part of the sentence, happy yesterday. It's important to know we use was not with I, he, she, it. So good. We have also the contraction, that is, instead of saying was not, we can say wasn't. It's the shorter form. The shorter form. Was not, wasn't. Very good. With we, you, they, we use were not. Were not. Were not is used with we, you, they. at the beach last week. Then we say the other part. So we also have the shorter form of were not, which is weren't. Very good. Examples for that. He was not at home last night. He was not. We use was not with he. At home last night. Very good. Tom and Anne weren't in the beach. This is the shorter form. Weren't in the beach yesterday, but they were happy. They were happy. It becomes they because we have Tom and Anne. Very good. We have another form which is question. Question. We bring was to the front part of the sentence. Then we say the pronouns like I, he, she, it. Was, we take was to the front part of the sentence. Then we say the pronouns. Then the other part of the sentence, like hungry, any other word, then we should have a question mark like this at the end of the sentence. Very good. So if we answer the question, we are possibly saying yes, she was. Was she hungry? Yes, she was hungry. Or we can also say yes, she was. No, if we say no, we say no, she wasn't hungry. We should add negativity to the sentence. No, she wasn't hungry. Or we also can say no, she wasn't without hungry. Very good. So with the pronouns like we, you, they, we bring were to the front part of the sentence. Then we write down the pronouns and the rest of the sentence. We write the rest of the sentence at the end. At the theater last weekend. So good. If we answer the question, we either say yes, we were, yes, we were, or if we say no, we say no, we weren't. We should add negativity to the sentence. No, we weren't. It depends on the answer. If we say no, we should have negative form. Very good. Examples. Was he at home last night? Answer. No, he wasn't. No, he wasn't. Very good. Were Tom and Anne in the beach yesterday? Yes, they were. Yes, they were. Very good. Because the question starts with was here, we answer with was. Because the question starts with were, we answer with were. Very good. Here, because we have Tom and Anne, it's a plural, because they become plural because we have two nouns. Then we say they. They is for plural. Very good. So let us now review the lesson. Past simple, to be, is used to talk about something in the past. It has three forms. The three forms are affirmative, negative, question. Affirmative, negative, question. Example for she was happy last night. She was happy last night. For the negative, the same question but the same sentence but negative. She was not happy last night. She was not happy last night. Question. Was she happy last night? Was she happy last night? Because question, we bring was to the front part and adding question mark to the end of the sentence. That was our lesson today. Hope you all enjoyed the lesson, and if you have any question, you can direct me on the site or on the system, online system. Very good. I hope you all enjoyed the lesson. Thanks for watching and listening. Hope to see you again in a new lesson. See you. Bye bye.